Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am coming to you guys today with an African inspired earring, okay guys? And I'm going to be using wood beads. Now, here are the items that you will need for this DIY. You're going to need your round nose pliers, your wire cutters, your flat nose pliers. You're going to need one piece of 20 gauge wire. You're going to need 5 inches of 12 gauge wire. You're going to need 3 flat spacer beads and 3 wood beads, and also your fish hook. Okay, now the size of your wood beads are 6 centimeters, 8 and 10. You're going to need those 3 sizes to achieve the look that I'm going to show you guys how to do today. Okay guys, so the very first thing that we're going to do is we're going to just start off. We're not going to make the body of the earring first. We're going to make the tail, okay? Now, this technique is a technique that I showed you guys how to do when you were making your rings. So I am going to do this technique to show you guys how you can embellish your earring to make it look Afrocentric or give it a different, like a tribal kind of sort of look. So the very first thing we're going to do with this 12 gauge wire is we're going to make a loop like this, okay? And this is what you should have, guys. And y'all excuse my hands. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to start bending the wire. So we're going to go in. We're going to bend it down like this, okay? And then what you're going to do is you're going to press this all the way in, okay? And this is what you're going to have. Now you're going to do this in a motion. You're going to go from one side to the other side, one side to the other side. So I'm going to go ahead and do the next side. Make sure that when you bend it, you try to bend it up as close as you can to the very top part. And then bend it over and squeeze it. And then you should have this. And then we're going to do it one more time, because it's going to be like a set of 2. Squeeze it in. And this is what you are going to have, guys, okay? Now, the very next thing that we're going to do is we're just going to come up to the top. And we're going to take our round nose pliers and we're going to bend it up just a little bit more. This is what you're going to have. Then we're going to push it down, okay? Because what we're trying to do is we're trying to put it in the center. We want it to be in the center. It was like down on the side, okay? So now what we're going to do with the end of this is we're going to take our round nose pliers and we're going to make a loop. And then we're going to just start doing a round motion and rolling it up. And a round motion. Okay? Just like this. You see what I'm doing? Sorry, y'all. Y'all know how my nose is. My nose is always raggedy. Okay, y'all see what I'm doing? Okay? And you keep going, and this is pretty much what you are going to have, guys. This is what we want. Now just make sure that you push it down so it can be nice and tight, and you may have to bring it around a little bit more so that it can be in the middle. You want it to be in the center, okay? So this is what we have. Okay, now if you look at this, this is still not in the middle. Okay, so we're going to come back up to the top and we're going to pinch it up a little bit more and push it down. And that's pretty much what we want. Okay, now the very next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and start on the body of our earring. So we're going to make a loop And this is what you're going to have, guys. And then you're going to give it a little indentation. Like that. Okay. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to bend this up and then start wrapping it around. Now, like I always say, you can wrap it around once or twice, however many times you would like to. You pull your wire, make sure that's straight, and you straighten it up. And then we just cut off the excess wire. And cut that off. And then you take your flat nose pliers and you go in. I'm going to have to pinch this just a tad bit. There you go. And pull it. And then squeeze it in. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and start adding, and this is what you should have, guys. Now we're going to go ahead and start adding our beads. What is this? Now we're going to start adding our beads. So we're going to go ahead and start with our 6mm. Going to add that bead, and then we're going to add a spacer bead. And then the 8mm bead, and then a spacer bead, and then last but not least our 10mm bead, and then a spacer bead. Now, this is what you're going to have. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to make another loop. Like this, and this is what you're going to have, guys. And then you give it a little indentation. Okay, now I am going to take this and attach it to this. And you see how that is? This is it right here. And then we're going to come up to the top of the bead. Make sure that we push these down. Come up to the top. And then start wrapping around. Okay? Okay, like I say, once and twice. And then we cut off our excess wire. And then we take our pliers and just squeeze that in so that it is nothing sticking out. Amen. Okay. And last but not least, guys, we're going to add our fish hook. And then we have our African-inspired earring. Okay. Now, I'm going to show you guys a couple of them. I have been working on this like during the course of the week, making some of these earrings. And I'm just going to show you a couple that I worked on. Now, this is the first pair. Here are these. And I made these ones right here. And I also made these because these are much bigger. I haven't even had a chance to put any of these on Instagram or anything. You guys are getting the first look. And what I did with these was I just took some tassels, took some other beads, and I hung them down from the bottom. And you can do these, you can do, just like I did these, you can do these like this as well. You can do anything with the bottom part, but I just wanted to show you guys another different way to make your African or whatever you want to call them inspired earrings, okay? I want to thank you guys for tuning in and watching today. Y'all have a wonderful, awesome weekend. Peace and blessings. Bye, y'all.